Hello everyone, Namaste. Today's video is specially designed for back pain. Back pain is a very common problem which every one of us face at some point in our lives. It is pretty frustrating, right? But don't worry. Today we will practice some amazing movements which will help our back feel better. Whether you sit or just want flexible and tension-free back, this video is for you. So why late? Let's jump into the goodness video.
Namaste. As my teammate said, today's video is specially for back pain. So now I am going to teach series of asanas. So in this, first one is Mararasana. First, you have to sit in Vajrasana. Okay, like this. And take your both hands forward. Try to maintain equal gap between your hands, your legs, at the same time your foot. This one is Mararasana. In this, you have to raise your head up like this and try to push your spine inside. Deep breathing. Breathe out. Your head completely down. Raise your spine up. Inhale. Head up, spine in. Exhale. Spine up, head inside. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Try to pull your spine in. Hold here for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly come to the Shashankasana. Stretch your hands forward. Exhale. Down your head. Now our second asana is Bhujangasana. So first, lay down on your stomach. Like this. And try to take your hands beside your chest region. You can join your both legs together. Back side. Take a deep breath in. Grab your chest and shoulder. Strengthen your elbows. Take your head back. So this one is Bhujangasana. Breathe out. Slowly down. Breathe in up. Breathe out down. Breathe in up. Breathe out down. Breathe in up. Try to hold for 5 seconds. Grab your chest and shoulder. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathe out. Slowly down. Now our third asana is Capotasana. So first, sit in butterfly position like this. Now slowly take your legs back. Keep your hands beside your thigh. And slowly take a deep breath in, head back. This one is Capotasana. Slowly exhale, down, breathe out, head down. Inhale up, head back. Exhale down, inhale up. Exhale down, inhale up. Exhale down, inhale up. Grab your chest and shoulder, hold for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly exhale down. Hold for 5 seconds again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly come to the center. Again, come to the butterfly position. Now our last asana is Bandana. Hold your legs. Lay down on your back. Try to keep your legs nearby your thigh muscle. With your right hand, catch your right leg ankle. With your left hand, you have to catch your left leg ankle. From here, your head and shoulder should be down. Try to raise your waist region up. So this one is Setu Bandana. Breathe out, down your waist region. Breathe in, up. Breathe out, down. Breathe in, up. Breathe out, down. Breathe in, up. And try to hold for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly down.
And we are done. Take a moment to thank yourself in spending time on your back. These easy moments will help you in relieving back pain and keep you healthy. But here are a few conditions. Remember, do not push yourself beyond your limit or if you have unbearable pain in the practice. And one more thing, it is better to avoid these movements if you are having abdomen related problems. Do practice them regularly and listen to your body. We will come back with such beautiful movements in the next video. Until then, be good, be nice, be happy. Namaste.